Okay guys, so while turning the drone and the RC in mobile fly apps, so it will goes like this, firmware update. So I'm updating now for about how many, 3 minutes already. So this is my first turn on the new drone, and then comes from the box that I reviewed earlier, and then I charge this drone battery. I straight away to charge the drone and the battery itself into the type C cable, and then the rest for the battery is this one. I still charge, the other one is full, and then now it's charging the next one. I thought this charging hub can go straight away 3 batteries, but it's not. Still one, or maybe I have misinformation. So it's 96% already, so it's almost done for the firmware updates while turning this drone to the DJI fly apps. So what happened next for this? So it's 97%. I've got 5 minutes already for the updates straight from the box. Sorry for this not so good camera, because this is the camera of my laptop, Microsoft Surface 5. So I just waited for whites. Yeah, it's moving now, 98%. Sorry. It's stuck. Oh, it's spinning in there. So they have response now in the drone while reaching 98%. I don't know what happened. Do not exit. Firmware update. So it's checked now. So firmware update successfully. Restart if device power off. Restart. Yeah, it's the drone is power off. So I need to restart it. So restart it. Just press and hold. Press and long press. So it's restarting, and then I have to close here. So what's this? Still update? Yeah. So we have to press the go fly. Boom! So it's there, guys. See the camera. It's me here. Boom! Aircraft pitch angle too large. Caution satellites. So this is ready to go, guys. So that's it. So I'm gonna fly this drone. So let's see, guys, how to so we're gonna fly this drone, guys. So it's already in firmware update. So bye as for now. I'm gonna use this camera. Bye.